Hi children, today we will learn about keyboard and mouse. Do you know what we learn in the session? Introduction to keyboard, functions of keyboard keys, important keys, uses of keyboard, what is a mouse controls. Next, introduction to keyboard. A computer keyboard is a typewriter style device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. Keyboard keys buttons typically have a set of characters engraved or printed on them, and each press of a key typically corresponds to a single written symbol. However, producing some symbols may require pressing and holding several keys simultaneously or in sequence, while most keyboard keys produce letters, numbers or symbols. See children, before computers, people used a typewriter to type. After using the computer keyboard, most produce keys, letters, numbers and symbols. Next, functions of keyboard keys. Keyboard is an important part of the computer. The small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Indicator, scroll, print screen, delete, backspace, enter, function, escape, capital lock, shift, control, windows, halt, spacebar, halt, windows, menu, control, shift, arrows, number pad. Children, what do you use to write in your book? As we write in a notebooks using a pencil or pen. In the same way, we can type on a computer using a keyboard. Next, important keys. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. These keys are marked with the English letters A to G, but are not arranged in sequence. Alphabet keys are used for typing letters, words and sentences. Next, number keys. There are marked with numbers 0 to 9. These keys are used for typing numbers. Number keys are present at two places on the keyboard, above the alphabet keys and on the right hand side of the keyboard. There are total 10 number keys on the keyboard. Next, space bar key. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Space bar key is used to give a small space between two words or letters or numbers. Next, enter key. We can take the cursor to the next line by pressing the enter key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Enter keys helps us to start a new line or new paragraph. Next, caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. It is present on the left side of the keyboard. When caps lock key is on and you type alphabet letters appear in uppercase or capital. When it is off, letters appear in lowercase or small. Next, backspace key. Backspace key erases characters on the left side of the cursor. See children, suppose you have wrongly typed the spellings, word or numbers, whatever it may be, you press the backspace key once to correct your mistake. Next, arrow keys. These are used to move the cursor in 4 directions: left, right, up, down. It shows the position where a letter or number or symbols can be typed. Next, uses of keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing message for communication. Keyboard is used to enter data. Keyboard is used for typing special symbols. Keyboard is used to operate some devices. Keyboard is used for entering text. We have to use the keyboard to write or enter the information. Next. Now let us talk about the mouse. A computer mouse is an input device that is most often used with a personal computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the on-screen cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons called clicking. Do you know why it is called a mouse? It looks like a real mouse with a long tail. That's why you are calling to mouse. Next, sir. Uses of a mouse. Point to and select objects on the screen. Select and or move data or files by dragging and dropping. Play games and draw pictures. Scroll application windows or web pages by clicking and holding scroll bar or by moving the mouse wheel. Next, sir. Mouse controls. Mouse has 3 buttons: left click, right click and scroll wheel. Left click opens by double clicking to select a word. Press, hold and drag. Press, hold and drop. Left click is the main mouse button and is used for double clicking and selecting a word, and also used dragging and dropping. But coming to the right click opens shortcut menu and cancel functions. Next, scroll wheel. Pointer can be moved up and down by moving wheel. Moves page up and down. Scroll wheel has a middle of the left and right button. Scroll wheel helps us to move up and down in a page. Thank you.